Hey guys, we're doing a quick walk around here, just kind of going over the C8 Corvette. Just kind of going over the paint quality. We had a few comments in regards to our photos being CGI and all that, and we have a really good photographer. He's one of the best on Bring a Trailer. We don't do any sort of post editing or CGI or any Photoshop. Paint's in immaculate condition. This car just really shows well. Let's go ahead and open up, take a look at the different compartments. Let's go ahead and look at the inside here. Go ahead and look at the back here. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to answer any questions. And good luck with the rest of the auction.